If you would like to see how I got this look using all products for the first time and enter to win my skincare giveaway, please keep watching. Watch till the end for the giveaway. So first things first, I'm going to start with skincare. This eye cream I actually got in my BoxyCharm box. It's the QMS Intensive Eye Care Day and Night Eye Cream. I always apply eye cream with my ring finger because it is the least heavy finger we have, so you're not adding any pressure to an already delicate area. Okay. I mean, so far so good. It's pretty light. It feels really refreshing. So the next product I'm trying is the Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. So this is by the brand Fresh, and this was a part of my Sephora Play box. So I always just rub it between my fingers first to get it warm. It smells really good. I always put some on my neck. Yeah, it feels really hydrating, but it doesn't feel heavy, which is what I like about it, because I feel like I could wear this under my makeup every day and I wouldn't feel like I have too much products on or anything like that. Yeah, so far so good. So the next product I'm going to be trying, it's funny because this isn't really new, but I got it like a couple of years ago and never used it. It was gratis, so it was given to me for free when I worked at Sephora. It's the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. So let's give it a shot. Alright, it looks like this. I don't really love primers that usually look like this or have this texture to it. It kind of reminds me of the Porefessionals primer, which I don't like, but I haven't given it a shot yet, so let's see. Oh, it's very like Play-Doh feeling. Oh god, it feels like Play-Doh and it smells like Play-Doh. I love Urban Decay's foundations, but this straight up feels like Play-Doh and smells like Play-Doh. Is this Play-Doh? I don't know. So this next product I'm super excited to try for the first time. It is the Tarte Creaseless Concealer in shade 33N. I bought the travel size, and I usually do that when I buy concealers that I haven't tried before if I have to buy them online. That's the color. Hopefully it works with my complexion. So I'm actually taking the product and I'm putting it right here because this will warm it up and get it ready to blend. A warmer product is always going to blend better than a colder product. Fun fact. Honestly, this is lighter than I expected it to be. It's very light. It was so hard to pick a color. I just picked one that my friend uses. So my friend Malika Imaham, she actually recommended the Shape Tape Concealer. So I actually got the wrong concealer, but it's the right shade. She has an amazing YouTube channel. She posts daily right now, so definitely check her out. I'm going to link her in the description and on this video. She's awesome. Check her out for sure. Alright, so I have the concealer on. Great first step. So the next product I'm trying for the first time is this Becca Cosmetics. It's the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. It's honestly a bit light for me, which is why I've never used it, but I wanted to use all products I've never used before for this video, and this is the only setting powder that I own that I haven't used before. Alright, let's try it out. So I'm picking up some product and then I'm dusting it off because I don't need that much. I just want to set my under eye and the top. I'm setting it so that I can work some eyeshadow on top after. As far as setting powders go, I have no complaints yet. We will see. I like to do my eyeshadow before I do my face in case there's any fallout. So this one is the Aristo. I got this at BoxyCharm. And these are the colors in the palette. I'm thinking I'm gonna use these ones. It'll be very pretty. And then this is Lavish. It's a brush set and it's all eyes. I got this in my BoxyCharm box from the April month. So we'll give it a shot. This is what it looks like. Alright, I'm gonna start with my crease. This color right here. Rather than just immediately going to the darkest shade I'm going to use in my crease, I like to build the color up. I find that building the color up with multiple colors actually adds to a more dynamic and just an overall more successful look. I really like how pigmented this orange is. So far I didn't really have any comments on the quality of this eyeshadow palette, but this orange is coming in quite nicely. Yeah, I mean, so far I like this orange a lot. So I'm gonna do this color. So anytime I apply eyeshadow, I always like tap the brush off. Here is that tapping noise right here. And I do this because it's always better to build up. You don't want too much product on your face and you don't want fallout. The reason I actually do my eyes before my foundation is to avoid fallout. Because if I do get some fallout on the top of my cheekbones, at least I can wipe it off and not have to start my foundation all over. So here I'm just adding highlight underneath my brow bone and then also near the tear ducts on my eyes. It's not incredible eyeshadow, it's not poor quality, it's right in that middle, so no complaints really. This is the Ultra HD foundation. This is the only one I'm cheating on by using. I haven't worn this foundation in like 3 years, so hopefully that qualifies as retrying it for the first time. I just was gonna use a different sample, but it wasn't big enough. So this one would be Y225. Let's give it a shot. This was my favorite foundation about 3 or 4 years ago, but I honestly haven't worn it since, and I'm gonna try to forget about everything I loved about it and everything like that and try to give it like a really unbiased first impression. I'm just gonna go for it. Oh shit, this is too light. That's way too fucking light. No. So I'm actually trying out Y335. So when I have like a foundation sample, I'll apply it like this, just because I have such a limited amount. I always make sure to bring a little foundation down to my neck, just because you don't want to disconnect in color. Here goes nothing. And we're going to the car wash. Yo, at the car wash. Am I the only one that associates that song with the movie Shark Tale, I think it's called, with Will Smith as a fish? If so, let me know in the comments, because sometimes I just start singing it and think of that movie. Alright. So far so good. I think that I could have mixed the shade that was too light for me of the foundation sample with this one just to have like a more accurate tone, but I'm okay with a little tan. That's fine. This is the palest I've probably ever been in my life since birth, so that's fine. I like the finish. I don't think I'm as in love with it as I was the first time, but sometimes it takes foundations like some time to settle into your skin to look more natural in the way you want, but no complaints here. Yeah, this concealer is pretty light. The thing is, when you're doing a concealer, you want it to be a little bit lighter than your face so that it actually like highlights that area, but you don't want it to be like this drastically different. I mean, some people do, but it's not really my look personally. So right here, it's like kind of like a triangle of light that I created. This is gonna really help to shape your face. Like, see the difference between these two? I usually use the end of my brush to kind of create the end of my eyeshadow. If I'm going for that kind of a look, it's a little bit more dramatic. So I am actually going to use some concealer to contour. So I'm going to be taking that same concealer. I'm going to go underneath my jawline and down. Wow, I look like one of those dolls that talk on people's laps. I forget what they're called. So I'm actually going to use my brush and just to blend this. The product that's left on there can set it in. And I'm going to set under my eyes, but I'm going to go inwards. I don't have a new eyebrow product to test out, so I'm actually going to be using this Bare Minerals foundation sample. Sorry, it cut out. First I'm going to brush them through. I've never done this before. Like, this is clearly not a brow product. I mean, the thing is that I usually use eyebrow products in my eyebrows, but I wanted to only use new products in this video, and I don't have any new eyebrow products, so sometimes when I'm in a pinch, I'll use other products on my eyebrows. I'll use eyeshadow. Hell, I've used like brown eyeliner before. Something I've learned over the years is that I actually place my pinky on my upper cheek to stabilize the hand. This really helps to kind of control what you're doing. This highlighter, it's called Iconic. I'm not excited to try this product at all, but I want to try some new stuff. So, alright, I guess I'll try it on my hand first. And blend it on. Oh my god. It's so pigmented. You can clearly see a difference. It's just like, I'm so over liquid highlighters at this point. That was like honestly so 2017. I'm gonna try putting a little bit of it on my nose. Alright, next I'm going to be using the same Bare Minerals product. I know what. And I'm going to be using it to contour. So I'm literally just like putting it on my hand, and we're really just going to hope for the best. I mean, this isn't even meant to be this is supposed to be a foundation, but I'm using, like, you can use anything for anything. It's not bad. It's pretty subtle, I guess. Shit. Bitch. She said, nope, that's enough. Alright. Breaking samples out here. When I contour, I like to do my cheekbones first, then the top of my head, and then underneath my jawline. This creates like a 3. So I got more contour than I wanted over here. So I'm going to go over it with my foundation brush without adding any product. So next I'm going to be using this. I'm going to use this stupid brush. See how I connected them? I'm like trying to make my cheekbones stand out a little bit more. Some people don't put mascara on before they do false lashes, but I like it because it kind of adds this like extra glue to cushion it. So these ones were in my BoxyCharm box. They're by Baddington. They look like this. They're pretty beautiful. Let's see how they look on though. I hate when I don't get it in the first try. I think it's the glue. These lashes, man, they're hard to put on. Yo, I am not having this right now. These lashes are not coming together. The band is too small. Yeah, those lashes, it's a no-go. They look great, but the band is way too small, and the glue that it comes with sucks. I guess we're just gonna try to do a ton of mascara and save this look. It's like sad, but I think this is the best that my lashes are gonna look right now. Like, you can see the difference. It's because I tried to put false lashes on this one and the false lashes like rejected. Here we are, messed up eyelashes. I hope you guys aren't mad, but I'm gonna try the 104 shade Sephora collection lipstick. It's the teal one. It was in my video that I posted on my unboxing video from Sephora. I love this formula. I've just never tried this color. And this was only $3 on their website. This color is so bold. So this is the finished look. Some of the products I really liked, some of them I was pretty disappointed in, but all in all it was an interesting experience. I hit 250 subscribers. Thank you so much, everyone. Oh my gosh, finally here. Giveaway details. Alright, so for my giveaway, I am going to be doing this once I hit 250 subscribers. So please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And basically what it is I've been collecting a bunch of skincare items that I think people would like in a little box. And once I hit 250 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. You have to be subscribed to me. You have to live in America, only because it's too expensive for me to ship everything elsewhere. Otherwise, I would totally do it globally. Hopefully one day I can. And then you have to comment on the video I post. So whichever video I post that's closest to 250, you're going to comment on that video, and then I'm going to enter you, write down everyone's names, put them in a hat. I'll pick someone on YouTube Live just so it can be very authentic. I don't want people to think I picked someone like that I was friends with, or I just want to pick the first name I pick. And yeah, it's going to be really great. So thank you guys, all the ones that have been day ones. Thank you to new subscribers. Thanks for anyone who's watching. Please hit that subscribe button so that you could win my giveaway, and just so you can stay tuned on more content. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video. Subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks, guys.